Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or FI Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and right now I'm going to be talking about VF Corporation, ticker symbol is VFC. And basically they're a clothing retailer that owns brands like the North Face, they own Vans, and a couple other major brands, but those are the two that really stick out to me. But VFC Corporation, or VF Corporation, again, they have broken below a multi-year trend line, and they are below the 200, the 20, and the 50-day moving average. Clothing retailer stocks have been doing pretty bad in general. I think a lot of investors are selling off the whole sector as a whole, and it's really hurting the stock. Now, this stock is trading at a very reasonable valuation relative to earnings. Like it's a 16 price to earnings ratio, and I believe Ralph Lauren's it's at around 18 price to earnings. And again, these companies are trading relatively similar in terms of valuation. So it's fair to assume that perhaps investors are just taking their profits, and this is because a lot of investors have been chasing this company, while non-performing stocks like JCPenney and Aeropostale and Abercrombie and Fitch, those stocks were sold off, and I think people were rotating their assets into VF Corporation. But now that the valuation has become a little rich, and the valuation has become a bit expensive, I think people are just taking their profits and running. So I think this stock could continue to fall, and if it were to continue to fall, it's a good idea to assume the valuation to be around 100 to 110, assuming that the stock does fall by 20%. The severity in this decline is pretty real, and the high volume sort of indicates that perhaps the selling may abate pretty soon. But at the same time, I still think this stock is in a confirmed downtrend, and being the fact that it is below the 200-day moving average, it could be several months before the stock does recover and trade back above that 200-day moving average. So keep that in mind when trading VF Corporation. I think that there's a lot of negative momentum behind the stock. The stock is in a downtrend, and I have a negative bias towards VF Corporation. So take care, folks, and I hope you guys have a wonderful trading session, and I hope you guys make money every single day of the year.